quick disassembly of Enzymer. Tommygun gearbox. First, selector plate parts removed. Second, removal of this back plate, which has a very tight fit at the beginning. If we got rid of this, we can remove the switch, which is different from a P90 switch, but the gearbox shell itself is the same on P90 and Tommygun. It's a version 6 gearbox. The construction of these is very easy because you can remove the switch and the motor completely before taking apart the gearbox. So I'm gonna remove all the screws at once. Then I get rid of the switch assembly. Now the switch is loose. You can just put the parts away. It's crucial to get these wire holders back in place, because it's quite hard to reassemble the gun with the wires not on the perfect position, and it can cause feeding issues. So there are some little parts here. I'm not quite sure why they did this, but you can see a lot of gears then, and it's easy to check the anti-reversal to release the gearbox tension. In here we have a version 3 spring guide, no ball bearing, the typical Enzymer internals, and some parts which are originally just for version 6 gearboxes, which is the tappet plate spring, the cylinder head, the nozzle, and of course the shell itself.
Bye, have a beautiful time.